I could be completely honest, I have no motivation to do this right now. Pregnancy life, no motivation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the low energy. You heard it in the intro. I don't feel like doing anything right now because I feel like the lingering of third trimester is upon me and I am out of motivation right now. But I've been wanting to film this for like 2 days now since Good Friday. So today's Easter, so happy Easter, happy belated Easter. Like that. Happy belated Easter if you celebrate. I kind of decided to spoil myself because it had been a while, and also I have not been the best as far as like my body changing. That's something about pregnancy that yeah, they say it, but until it happens to you, I feel like you really don't get it. I feel like myself, I feel like I'm kind of going back into that place where I wasn't really feeling myself. So we're gonna stop that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys some things that I got from Target, Pink, yes, Pink, and Sephora. Let's just get right into it. Since this bag is here first, we're gonna do Sephora, but I actually have a couple things over here that I ordered separately online because they were having an app exclusive an app exclusive day early for the Sol de Janeiro Real Radiance sunscreen. I'm really excited to try this. The scent is also, please excuse my voice, I've been like sick, really congested, and I don't know. Anyways, the scent's okay. We'll see how it goes. Obviously for me, not for my baby. I do like the packaging. I got the body spray spray just because it's easier. If you know, you know. I always get the spray sunscreens because like it's just easier. Also got on that day the new Tower 28 lip duo, which I'm actually wearing right now. The gloss is in pistachio and the liner is a work of art. Really like them. This has some pretty gold shimmers in there and just your standard brown taupey liner. I really like. It's definitely a color for me. So just this combo, like I wore this Friday and it didn't really move, besides the gloss obviously, but the liner didn't move, which is something I absolutely hate about lip liners. I hate when they bleed. If you are interested in this, recommend it because it does last and I appreciate that. And I went to Sephora. I ended up picking up a few things I had been wanting, such as this day trip, good hair days on the road ahead, hair tune-up toolbox, which literally comes with the shampoo, conditioner, the dry shampoo that you've probably seen all over TikTok, and the styling cream. I don't know, I've just seen mostly just these two products everywhere, but I was like, you know what, might as well just get the set, try it out. And it comes in this cute little plastic thing. You're definitely gonna have to give her a try. I'm really excited. Let me be real, don't take new products with you on trips because if it doesn't work out, you're gonna hate it. So just don't do that. Very excited to try this for my hair, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, especially since it's gonna get warm out. And I just wanna feel like myself. I feel like I'm kind of I'm in a stage where a lot of my old clothes are starting to not fit, but some of them still do, but also, yeah, like they fit, they don't. I have to buy bigger clothes, but also maybe not. Complicated. And baby boy is kicking me up on top right now. You need to calm down, sir. This is like a new thing that's been happening to me. Now he kicks like more up. The other couple things I grabbed were from One Size Beauty. I got a little mini of Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. I didn't want to spend $35 on the setting spray, so we spent like $16 or whatever this was. Just wanted to try this out mostly for the summer. I really doubt I'm gonna be wearing, I probably still will be wearing makeup, but maybe not crazy all the time after I have my baby. We'll see, but this will be great. This will come in handy for those days when I want to go out and just to keep everything on. Same with I had this last summer and I was obsessed. Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn primer. This is like controversial, I feel like, because there's people that love it and there's people that hate it, but I really love this primer. This is my second time buying it. The packaging's a little odd because it's metal, but I really like her. She's gonna keep me nice and matte in the summer, and I used it all through summer school last year, and girl, nothing compared to this, let me tell you. Then the last thing I grabbed was the Supergoop Glow Stick SPF 50. Again, just to throw on my face if I go out somewhere or if I want to put it on underneath my makeup. I hope I can put this under my makeup and it doesn't mess up. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger because I thought this was like a mini size, but it's not. This is the size. Into Pink, and I just got some random things. I don't know, the first thing was this keychain because I couldn't resist it, and it was just really cute to throw on my keys, maybe throw on baby boy's diaper bag. I don't know, just really cute. I liked her. Then I just got a couple tops to wear for after and during pregnancy, mostly for the summer, let's be real. This is a shirt, a racer back tank top, and it has a built-in bra, which I like, and a size large. It's really pretty oatmeal color, which I don't have any of that. Square necked gray tank top, which kind of reminds me of Skims. This was really unnecessary considering I'm going through some kind of clothing crisis right now. I don't know what's going on. I really love I know what's going on. Pregnancy. Not like a chocolate brown, it's like a muted brown sweatshirt in a size large. So I hope this will fit my bump. If not, I'm gonna just wear her after, or maybe home from the hospital or something, or while I'm in the hospital, because hospitals are cold as okay, they are freezing cold. They're about to be in a hospital for any reason, like scheduled surgery wise, pregnancy wise. Dress warm in that hospital because it is freezing. They say it's for sanitation purposes. No, it's just to be cold. It's just to be cold and make you miserable. Not counting the amount of times they come in and check on you, even when you're sleeping. So I'm gonna have the worst time ever in the hospital. I already know it. Like, I will actually probably lose my yay. From Target, not Aldi's, my mom's bag, but a couple different times because I got some travel stuff. This weekend I did get some more of these Loops face masks. Don't tell Hello Kitty and Cremshaw, but I feel like I'm loving these ones a lot more. And I ran out, and I don't know, I just like the texture, the Styropod garbage that's in there. I like the texture, I like the cooling, how they feel. I don't know, they just feel really nice. So I bought 4 of these. I do one like once a week, so that's like my little self-care thing to myself. Yes, I did get a couple of these Styropods for vacation. I got one for my husband and one for myself. Again, a whole bunch of travel stuff, but that's not in here. I got this white windbreaker jacket from the All in Motion section. Every other section either didn't have my size, or it was way too big, or had nothing, and I was really frustrated. And again, pregnancy, it's fine. The All in Motion section, girl, like, I live in this stuff anyways when I'm not pregnant, so this was a win for me. Super, super cute. You can cinch it at the bottom. It's just a nice lightweight windbreaker, and then on the back there's like a little snap and you can undo it, and I think there's a hood inside, which is even better. I'm very excited to wear this to work out and in general, because why not? A couple of their leggings. Yes, I got pink because why not? Feeling this pink color is just so pretty and bright. This is like one of the only things that have actually my size because everything was wiped out. What are they called? Everyday Soft Ultra High Rise Legging. I actually really love this kind of legging from Target. Highly recommend. Please don't sell it out because I will find you. Okay, one of these like workout tees in an extra large. It has like a little keyhole open on the back, just black, basic. To wear now, to wear after. I figured this would be really cute with the pink leggings, just as like a moment. I don't know, I just thought they were really cute. Clothing thing I got from Target are these cargo pants, mid-rise cargo pants. Very cute and black, and they are tapered at the bottom, which I really like too, and they just have pockets on the sides. I've been wanting to get a bodysuit to wear while I'm pregnant and then just wear these with it and just have like a cute moment, just because I'm trying to find my pregnancy style too. Like, I want to wear some cute pregnancy stuff, but I know that maybe it's not completely me, but I don't know until I try. It's complicated. I don't know. Moms out there, I hope you know what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to figure it out because I'm gonna be pregnant for 3 more months and I need to figure something out for when it gets warmer. Living in sweats and leggings. I don't know. I just want to like wear a few cute things, but I know I'm not completely a dress girly. I don't know, but that might change. My cat is already trying to get into. I got some protein things. I have been eating kind of like crap lately, so I'm trying to change that and go back to some of my old ways. I got some Quest loaded taco flavor protein chips. I love these. They're so good, especially in the loaded taco bowls that I make. So I just love this flavor. The nacho cheese one's really good too, that I've tried. Snacks, because I'm kind of getting to the point now where I actually also don't know what I want. Like, I get cravings, but like I don't know what I want, and 9 times out of 10 I'm going towards candy, or I'm going towards getting a cheesy gordita crunch from Taco Bell. Like, I just don't, there's nothing in between. I'm trying to find a balance. Got some Quest cheese crackers. Love these. These are actually really good. I loved them before I was pregnant. Hopefully we'll still like them now. 2 more boxes of these Quest mini protein bars. I love these. These are actually really good, and they don't have a lot of sugar in them, which is great because, again, I'm trying to watch my sugar because I have to take my glucose test in a couple weeks, and I'm really nervous about it because I don't want to deal with that. I'm already dealing with enough. Let's not add that to the mix. Last couple things, extremely random. Another Native toothpaste with fluoride. I don't get why people buy toothpaste with no fluoride in it. Fluoride's supposed to be good for your teeth. I don't know. I don't understand it, but whatever. I got another one, probably the millionth one I've bought. Generic version of the emergency, wow, I lost my train of thought. The Emergency Immune Plus, the drinkable ones. I like the ones that just dissolve in your mouth, but these are just a lot better at home, and I can just drink it, mix it, whatever, and I'm done. So got these for home because I ran out. Okay, I also forgot to mention I did order one more thing from Sephora, a Laneige Sweet Candy Lip Balm. If I find a picture, I'll put it here. This is one of my favorite flavors, scents from Laneige, and I'm very happy it's in a lip balm. I feel like I'm starting to like the lip balm more than the mask. I had to get this, so I also ordered this, and it's going to my mom's because every time I order something from Sephora, getting it shipped to my house, something happens. I don't know why, it's just a thing. That is everything that I bought within the last couple of days. We are done now. We are done now. I feel like I've kind of went a little overboard because, you know, in my feels. Oh, also, I got this hydro jug. I got this like a while ago, like a couple weeks ago. She's really pretty. She's neon. You can still get her, highly recommend. I do not have a code. I probably should get a code, but I don't have one. Low-key like this more than my Stanley cup, literally for this reason. Nothing's coming out of this. I think this is the ideal mom cup for everyone. Not even just for a mom cup, sports cup, everything cup. I think we are definitely a hydro jug girly now. I feel like, I don't know, I've been cutting over my Stanleys for a little bit now. I don't know. Okay, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, apologize for my energy. I want to do another pregnancy update video. Maybe I'll film it before I leave this weekend or something. I don't know. I don't know. Wherever the wind takes me, I guess. That's kind of how it's been the last few weeks. I had so much motivation, then I lost it, and then I've just been exhausted coming home from work because I'm literally kind of running myself into the ground. Not for anything, one of the very few employees, even pregnant, that is doing her job. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notification when the I post a new video. Hopefully it's soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.